Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS9120 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA TS9120 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should say Canon support for PIXMA TS9120. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. And then scrolling down again, you want to locate an item if you might have to load more, but you want to select print driver and scan utility installer and the download button for that. Once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open it up. It should be a verified publisher signed by Canon Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the setup installation here. Select next, select your country as well as the end user license terms. You have to accept those. And then you can select your preferred connection method with your printer to your device, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.